Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete repost on TikTok. So for this you need to click on profile at the bottom of your screen. And over here in the middle you will see a lock icon. Right beside lock icon you will see two arrow pointings up and down. Click on it. Now over here all the video which you have reposted on your profile is going to be shown. Now remember, you can only remove repost from your profile. Let's say I don't like this repost. What I can do is click on you reposted at the bottom and click on reposted over here and click on remove post. What this is going to do is this is going to remove this repost from my profile. Now I cannot delete this post because I did not create it. Only the creator or the owner of this video can delete it. I can only remove the repost, and if I remove this video from my repost, it's going to be removed from my account, and that's the only thing we can do. We cannot delete a repost, okay? We can only remove it from our account or from our device. So I hope you understand how we guys can delete repost on TikTok. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel for future videos like this. If you have any question, comment down below. I'll answer you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then. Have a nice day.